Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, this section I wanna share a tutorial how to make application on Kodular. So, first of all, you have to check first the Kodular website. The Kodular.io. So this is the website. They have so much tutorial to in the list for the website. Okay. Okay, so uh, we can get apps in here. Okay. So in here they have pricing too if you wanna make your model premium. So the difference is the number of project is free, maximum is 10. If premium it will be unlimited. If total asset size is 10 megabytes, if premium is unlimited. So the main point it will be more better. So this is number of extension per project. This is for the monetization. Yeah, with Kotlin you can monetization too. But in here, if free, you just using Google Ads only, and it it can take some commission. And then, but if in here you can use another company and without commission, and then this monetization extension or for the other extension, it cannot be used in project if free, but if premium, it can be used. So this is development experience with ads. There's no expert and in here at the development to it. So it just same. Okay, so this is the main page or the home page of the Kodular. So uh, if I really make so much for just this thing for the Kodular 3. So we can learn or we can create a project. Okay, so in here we'll make a card name application name. Okay. So in the Kodular if you cannot using sticks. So if you wanna make some space, you have to using this type symbol. But name okay. Then okay, so this we can the app name we can use card name. Oh, so this is we can using like them and the them. It we just using default or if the default is the white and then this package name just just um just make it empty. Oh, all this because this already there is I have to one again. Change his card name. Okay, so finish. Okay. Um. Wait. Okay, so this is the Kodular application. So I recommend you if you wanna make some apps in Kodular. There's so much for the prototype. There is LG Nexus. There is Google Pixel. There is Galaxy S9. There is Note 5. There is much more. Yeah. Here there is HTC Nexus and Microsoft Surface. This is for tablet. If you wanna make some application for tablet, too, you can make it here. But I recommend you to using Samsung Galaxy S9 because I think for all of our phone in this era, where 2020 uh, Pro, the model it's like more length or if we say more panjang. So The design we will make a name. I will show you my card name project. Okay. Okay, this is my card name. So, it's actually like our kartu player card name, but we can use it to as application. So this is of all of the elements I make in uh, Figma for the background for this this thing I make in Figma. If like this, you can uh use from Platicon. This Platicon you can search. There's so much like this Instagram, Figma, but in here we just use uh Instagram and okay. So first of all, we can go to screen. We can name it yes card name. Okay. So this about the screen you just make card name too. And then the screen one you can sorry just like that. Yeah. So for horizontal you have to make it for vertical you just using pop, but for when horizontal you have using center. And I'm sorry, if that means you just can use center and then for the background color we're not using the background color but using background image. So we just upload file in here. Wait, I'm gonna upload it, but so actually you if I can say actually there is another app that name Tankable. It seems like Kodular, but uh, I could say if for the UI or for the design, I think more better using Tankable because it is you using Figma, it just need drag and drop like that. But if the code if the list of code, I think because of what I think Kodular will because in here there's not much and say oh this yeah you can music a recorder in here the record in the distillery and animation there's map and then there is name sensor then here is me but you can Google too actually in Kodular can do this is for the money the sensor in app viewing and then there is like command strong is uh, some robotic apps but just that. So we just make it fast. So in here we can choose the background image is one. Okay. Then first of all we have to add we can put in here like this. Okay. Okay, so for the card view, this you can make it both the line is center. So the component it will be in center, background color just white. And then for the corner radius, you can using 10. No. And then for the height, you can using 70%. And then for the width, we can using 90%. This. Then just that for the card view. Okay. So we can, at again in here, we can search image or image, we can add your uh, photo image. Okay, this I make in Kodular. Uh, I make in Figma for this. And then can for the height we using 82x picture and the width we can using 20. Okay, so this is the case. And then we can add space. This is for make some space. We can just using little, just around maybe one, one, one. Okay. So we can add name is level. This level, the function of level, you can add some text. For the font size, we will using 16. And then for the font, it's up to you, but I will using font some. And uh, for the height, it's automatic. For the width, it's fill parent. Or you can automatic too. And then we can search for we can fill text with our name. This, okay, this will and then I think we got oh yeah. The next alignment you can move it to center so text will be in the center. And then we can using font board. Okay. So we can just copy in here. And then for the space we can using 4%. And then we can add here just copy again. Control C, Control V. Then we using we can add starter at your school. We need the board and school for the font size we can make it smaller. And the bold we just using normal can if want to bold can do. And then we can make some space again. Okay. So for the second space still 4. Okay. We can add name is horizontal crossword. So like what I say before, if in Kodular or the UI or user interface or the design, it will be more harder. So I'm sorry. So before we I had some problem with my laptop. Okay, so we will continue. So we can add and add image. Right, add an image. Then for the reminder, we just using 20 the X 54. Face, face in here. Here. Yep. And the X. And then in here. And what is send? Then we can you can add your tanggal lahir, the plus. Then we for the egg we can separate and then we can make it center. Sorry for the video automatic. Oh, for the weight just using the first the 40%. Then we can add um we can add 2%, and then control again. We just do it. And so in here we can okay, nice. So in here we can move your change to your Instagram account. So if you want to maybe that's only for me to give from for the videos, not for you.